Good day. Welcome to another series of Chemistry Just Got Easier. In today's class, we are going to be solving a question on number of atoms using the molar volume of a gas. We have a question on the board. Calculate the actual number of atoms contained in 2.8 dm cube of chlorine gas at STP. Now, we know that to calculate the number of atoms, in one of our previous classes, we derived a relationship between mole and number of atoms and Avogadro's constant. We said that number of atoms equals mole times Avogadro's constant. Avogadro's constant is equals to 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. But we don't have the mole, but we can calculate the mole using the molar volume since the gas is at STP. We know that molar volume of a gas, the relationship between molar volume of a gas and mole is molar volume is equals to volume divided by mole. Volume divided by mole. So in order to get the mole, we are going to say, we are going to make mole the subject of the formula. So mole is going to be equals to volume divided by molar volume. Volume divided by molar volume. Now, in the question, we have the volume of chlorine gas to be 2.8 dm cube. So volume, given in the question, equals 2.8 dm cube. And we are given the molar volume, as we all know that the molar volume of a gas is 22.4 dm cubes. So, molar volume of a gas at STP, 1 mole of a gas at STP is 2.4 dm cube. So, the mole will be equals to volume divided by molar volume. So, mole is equals to volume, which is 2.8 dm cube, divided by 22.4 dm cube. When you input this value into the calculator, you have 0.125 mole. So, the mole is equals to 0.125 mole. But here we are talking about chlorine gas. 1 mole of chlorine gas contains 2 atoms of chlorine, which means for this we are going to say it is going to be equals to 2 times 0.125. So when you multiply 2 times 0.125, you have 0.250. Now we have the mole. Now we are still not done. So we have the total mole of chlorine gas to be 0.250. Now we want to calculate the number of atoms. Number of atoms equals mole times Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Okay, let me make it much more easier. 6.02, that is mole times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. So the number of atoms is going to be equals to the total mole, which is 0.250 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. When you input this value into the calculator, you have the total number of atoms of chlorine gas to be 1.51 times 10 to the power 23 atoms. Thank you for listening. Book the out tutors for your personalized online chemistry and mathematics class and biology classes. Follow the out tutors for daily chemistry and mathematics content. Follow, like, and share. Bye. See you next time.